Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I wanted to show you this beautiful card that I made with many of the items in the Painted Poppies suite, but I didn't use the Painted Poppies stamp set. So maybe you think you have too many stamp sets. I don't know if there is such a thing. And you just kind of want to use what you already have and maybe purchase some consumables because you want to use the new colors, or you really like the new trend, or possibly you're just trying to be budget friendly and not purchase an entire suite. So rather than getting the stamps and the paper and the accessories, you just want to get one or two of those items. So this card here, it actually showcases the poppy elements as well as the designer series paper. You could always go with a basic color for the background and not use the poppy paper. But what I wanted to share with you is these fabulous poppy elements which really bring a card to life, and all I did was switch up the greeting to get so many different fabulous looks. So I actually used the stamp set So Sentimental, which is this one right here. Has a lot of great greetings. You might already have a stamp set that has a lot of fabulous greetings in it. I also used the coordinating framelits. So these are the Stitched So Sweetly dies. You can see there's those fabulous stitched scallop rectangles as well as these fun stitched shapes too. So these both coordinate with the stamp set. So you could always use your favorite punch, your favorite framelit, your favorite greeting stamp set, and still get this gorgeous floral poppy look with those amazing elements. Here I took another one of the greetings from that same stamp set, and you could always take this flower from the poppy elements and add it to the corners like that for that gorgeous poppy floral look. You could also take this one here and, I'm gonna go up here. And this one has that fun I can't thank you enough, and I actually turned my rectangle going up and down, and then you could always add some of these poppies to the bottom. So I actually stamped my greeting a little bit lower to that these poppies like just barely fit. So I would probably just trim off the bottom of the element, or I would just restamp and stamp my greeting a little bit higher. But you could also use one of these down there too for that fabulous look. And then again, you can see on this one I used that tall poppy. So I'm gonna bring in all of those elements so that you can see just how fabulous these are. There's these awesome banners as well as borders, and then these fun, they're like clear embossed, so they have that little hint of shine to them. There's also, and there's 2 sheets of each of these. There's also 2 sheets of these, which are on a thicker cardstock, so they're great for watercoloring, as well as being clear embossed. So let's see, can you see that little shine? So we got flowers, we got little, like a lot of these images are the same ones that are in this one that I will show you. So there's a lot of like poppy flowers, and then there's the stem ones, and then there's the bundle ones too. So then these are all the ones that I showed you with the samples, with the bundle, the tall one, and then the little like cluster flowers. And then there's also vellum ones. So these give just that nice little like peekaboo image, sort of a nice shadow effect. There's leaves as well as flowers, both in the single flower, the stem, and then the little bundle of flowers too. So lots of great ways to use these poppies to really dress up a card with maybe a greeting that you already have. So you could always just take a card, add the greeting, add some designer paper of your choice, and then just use these poppies as the little decorative piece to really pull it all together. And again, it's consumable, it's very affordable, and it's a fun little added touch. I also use the Peaceful Poppies sequins to add those there. You could always get those. There's 1,000,001 sequins in the case. I don't know that I should open this on camera because they're quite staticky, but look at those. So you can get a million cards with this one little pack. So again, that's great if you're looking to keep budget friendly and things like that, because I completely understand that and I don't want you to stop stamping. So I wanna make sure that I'm showing things that are fun and possibly include a lot of products, but also other samples that include just a few products, so that can be a little bit more affordable if that is what you're trying to achieve. So I will definitely leave links down below in the description box so that you can check out all of those that I mentioned and showed off today in this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, as I post every Tuesday and Thursday. And I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.